Today we're going to make Dahl. It warms you up inside till you're as snug as a bug, and you will need a saucepan, half a cup of water, a whole cup of water, half a cup of lentils, tomatoes and turmeric powder, and that's great. So first you'll rinse the lentils under the tap. Parang pwede mo magawa ng shake dito. There we are. And then we'll put it into the saucepan.
Did it go one whole thing?
Almost one whole thing.
It's the most exciting part.
Yes.
I think. And then?
And then we will add a whole cup of water.
Just enough to cover the lentils.
Yeah.
What's next?
And then we can add the tomatoes. Can I have one? No?
Yes, you can, of course.
Thank you. Fresh. Some ground turmeric. You only need about that much. And we'll put it in there. And then we'll put it on the stove until it's all stodgy. Over we go. I'm quite short, so I need a stool.
Still short, but you're growing quickly, aren't you?
Yes.
Why don't you put that in there? On there. And do you want to give it a try today?
Yes, please.
Twist it to the left, please. There's the lid.
Put it on.
And we'll let it do its work.
Yes.
We'll just wait. That's all you do.
And then we can add my favourite ingredient. Dun dun dun! So, after 20 minutes, it has become all lovely and stodgy. And now for the next step. To add the black mustard seeds. We need to pour some oil into the pan.
A bit more. Okay.
So you need about half a teaspoon of black mustard seeds, and then you can put them in the pan.
Wait for it to.
For it to pop. There
Ooh.
it is. It's popping. It's popping now, and it smells delicious. The seeds are going absolutely everywhere. What just went into that pan?
Well, let's help them then.
Yes.
Okay, I'll help you then, so that they will all go in there. Shall they all go in there
Hopefully.
and swim?
Yes.
Yes. Ooh, nice. And then what
Smells great.
are we going to add?
We're going to add the chili.
Chilies,
That's not that spicy.
which is not very spicy.
No.
Tama?
And then some salt
Salt.
and
You put,
sugar.
pour mo na lahat. Okay?
Just for a tiny bit of sweetness. Da-da-da.
You can turn it off now, I think. Now, let's move it here so it's closer to you. Lagyan mo ng konting star mo na.
Good.
Oh, we forgot some pepper.
Yes. The pepper.
Damihan man ako.
I think we have just enough pepper in this grinder.
Pepper mill.
Yes.
And what's the reason why wala tayong nilalagay na chilies?
So that I can eat it.
Mm.
I like 1 flame spice.
Ah, ganon.
I don't like 3 flame or 2.
You mean mild?
I like mine.
That would be enough pepper na. Tapos, give it a little stir.
Oh, look how many
Spoon some into your bowl na.
Okay.
I know how hungry you are.
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Tapos,
Eat.
eat. Spoon, spoon, spoon. And would that be enough?
Down the, yes.
That's
a bit of
fine.
it slopped down the side of the bowl.
Mmm.
There we are. Oh, let's try. But before we try, we need to add some, what do you call this, Mummy?
Coriander.
Yes.
Kala mo sasabihin ko Oops.
To make a beautiful green topping. Try, It'll try, Connor. Right.
Flatbread today.
Yes.
Oh, tonight na It's too dark outside to say today for Mummy.
It's quite dark in the mornings, but it's great.
Rosamond's going to finish that again on her own.
I don't need any help. Try.
Okay, I will try in a sec. This is the best part of all. Ng pag-cook ni Mamon. This is the only food recently Mamon has been cooking on her own. Oh, but today I helped her with the oil and the mustard seeds. But usually she can do that. I don't know why we did that today. Anyway, it's time to eat. Shall we ask Daddy to try?
Don't finish it, please.
No. Oh yes, this is your bowl. I'm going to have my bowl in a minute.
Goodbye.
Thank you.
Thank you for watching. Please put in the comments below what we should cook next. Bye. Watch more. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.